Google just went all in on something called agentic AI. Now, this isn't just another buzzword. What they're building are AI agents that don't just respond to commands, they actually execute entire tasks from start to finish. Think less assistant, more digital employee. These agents can plan, make decisions, interact with software, and complete workflows without constant human input. Companies are already testing this in real environments. Walmart is using AI to assist employees at scale. NASA is exploring AI for mission planning. This isn't theoretical anymore, it's deployment. And here's why this matters. For the past few years, AI has been helping people do work faster. Now, it's starting to do the work itself. At the exact same time, Microsoft and Meta both announced major layoffs. Thousands of jobs cut, while simultaneously increasing their spending on AI infrastructure to record levels. We're talking hundreds of billions being poured into compute, chips, and AI systems. That's not a coincidence. Companies are restructuring around a future where fewer humans are needed for the same output. And executives are no longer being subtle about it. Many are openly saying that AI will handle a large portion of white-collar work in the near future. So on one side, you have AI becoming more autonomous. On the other, companies reducing workforce while investing heavily in that same technology. That's the transition phase we're in right now. Now let's talk about Apple, because they've been unusually quiet in the AI race until now. New reports suggest they're preparing a major overhaul of Siri. And this isn't just a small upgrade, this is a complete shift toward a conversational, system-wide AI interface. Something that blends into how you use your phone rather than sitting as a separate tool. The idea is simple. Instead of opening apps and tapping through menus, you just tell your device what you want and it handles the rest. Search, actions, tasks, all unified through one AI layer. If they execute this well, it could completely change how everyday users interact with technology. And that's important, because while companies like Google are winning on raw capability, Apple is betting on user experience. And historically, UX is what drives mass adoption. But here's another layer most people are missing. A new global CEO survey just revealed that 80% of business leaders believe AI will fundamentally change how their companies operate. Not improve, change. They're preparing for a shift towards what's being called autonomous businesses. Systems where AI doesn't just assist decision-making, but actually makes decisions on its own. Hiring, logistics, customer service, operations, all increasingly handled by intelligent systems. So if you zoom out for a second, you start to see the pattern. AI is moving through three clear phases. First, it helped us with tasks. Then, it started doing tasks for us. Now, it's beginning to run entire systems. And we are right at the edge of that third phase. There's also growing chatter around new model upgrades. More powerful systems focused on coding, research, and complex problem solving. While not everything is officially confirmed yet, early signals suggest these models are becoming more agent-like, meaning they can break down goals and execute them step by step. Again, the same theme, autonomy. And this isn't just happening in tech companies. There's a massive push into real-world applications, especially in healthcare. Thousands of developers and researchers are now building AI solutions for actual systems, not just demos. Hospitals, diagnostics, treatment planning, all being rethought with AI at the center. Which means this isn't slowing down, it's accelerating and spreading. So what does all of this really mean? It means the conversation is changing. We're no longer asking, what can AI do? We're asking, what will humans still need to do? That's a very different question. Because when AI starts handling workflows, making decisions, and integrating into every layer of business and daily life, the value shifts. Execution becomes automated, speed becomes normal, and the advantage moves to people who understand how to direct, leverage, and work alongside these systems, not compete with them blindly. Right now, most people are still looking at AI like it's a tool you occasionally use. But the companies building this technology, they're designing it to become the system itself. And once that shift fully happens, things won't gradually change. They'll snap into a new normal. That's why these last 24 hours matter more than they seem. Because individually, these updates look like news. but together they tell a very clear story about the future that's already starting to unfold.